Mix softened butter with powdered sugar using an electric mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until fluffy and creamy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl in the middle of the process. Add egg yolk along with ground cardamom or cardamom essence and continue mixing. Add condensed milk and mix for a few seconds. Mix in the pistachio powder according to your preference and stir well. For a better color, add a few drops of green and yellow food coloring and mix thoroughly. Then add the flour and mix until well combined. Transfer the dough into a freezer bag and let it rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the filling mixture. Mix desiccated coconut powder, walnut powder, pistachio powder, and a little condensed milk until the mixture becomes slightly firm. Remove the chilled dough from the refrigerator, roll it out to a thickness of half a centimeter, and cut it using a cutter. Place the filling mixture inside each cut pastry, seal it, and place it on a baking tray. Use a patterned cutter to create designs on top. Place the tray in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, then immediately bake in a preheated oven at 155 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Be careful not to let the pastries change color. Enjoy your treat.